Good afternoon. Welcome back once again. Right now, we are going to start the installation properly so that everybody will follow up. My students, I hope we are ready for today's installation. So just pay very attentive so that you will not mix any part of it. Firstly, when you bring this is the main machine, the main engine, the main gun used to wash the car. To install the nozzle, this nozzle, to install it, you don't use screwdriver or you don't use spanner on it. You can use your hand to tight it. When you stretch your hand this way, you rotate it clockwise and make sure it's well fixed so that it will capture the thread when tightening. You see, very simple and easy. I'm done tightening it now. This has been tightened. It's getting a shape, right? You put down this rubber to cover it. It's getting a shape. Then to install the battery, the 48 volts battery, you have to put it this way. You see how it is? Oh, excuse me, sorry. Then this one this way. You fix this one. It's being installed. Can hear the sound now. So this has been installed this way now. And to install this nozzle to the mouth, because this is a sprinkle mouth, this aluminium, you have to force it down this way. See, it is springing within the spring. So when you force it down, then you now use this one. When you force it down, you now use this one, insert inside, and make sure it's being inserted very well. Then you now try your best to see that this thing clips back. It has clipped. We are done with this now. Then you want to fix this one. This one, you want to fix it. You see this? How to fix this one? The way you inserted this one, you clip this down. When you clip it down, that's to insert it here. I'm trying to insert it here. So when you clip it down, you force this inside. It has clipped. It's getting a shape. I'm trying to get something this way. It's getting a shape now. Then it's either you make use of this, you get it. Then this one, can just fix it this way, just anyhow, depending. So you see it. I hope you can see it. Then this is the hose. When this hose, you pass this hose through this way now, then you now force it down. I force the hose. Then you now use this one to tight here. tight. Then this particular hose now is now going to be connected to this. You now connect this here. When you now connect this here, then you now straight the hose. Then this filter is now going into your bucket. We now enter into the bucket of the water, and it will be filtering dirt and passing water straight, and you are good to go. You are good to wash. Then if at all you want to spray, you want to make use of this to spray. You want to make use of this to spray. You got to remove this. You force this down. You remove it. When you remove it, you see this? You got to force this down. Force it down. You put this, then you put it back. You have inserted it, and by then you have filled your jerry can with your substance or your liquid soap. Then it's now good to go. So this is the episode of this installation. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.